Hello, this is a weather briefing for the Arkansas region from the National Weather Service office in Jackson, Mississippi, recorded on March 8, 2019. Showers and a few isolated thunderstorms, mainly along and northwest of the Natchez Trace corridor, are expected through tonight. That would be Friday night, and we're not expecting hazardous weather with this activity. Our main focus in the short term is on the potential for isolated to scattered strong to severe thunderstorms and associated locally heavy rainfall on Saturday into Saturday evening, mainly focused north of Interstate 20. Down the road, another potent weather system will bring the potential for severe weather and especially heavy rainfall around Wednesday to Thursday of next week. So the severe weather concern in the short term, tomorrow, which will be Saturday into Saturday night, we now have a slight risk of severe weather shaded in yellow across our northern zones, where there's potential for isolated to scattered severe thunderstorms, mainly from late morning into early evening, to produce damaging winds to 60 to 70 miles per hour, hail up to golf ball size, and perhaps a tornado or two. And south of there, in the green shaded marginal risk areas, the potential for potent thunderstorms is a lot less, but we still can't rule out a few strong thunderstorms as we go from like midday into the evening hours, and one or two could be severe, and a tornado can't be ruled out with any of those severe storms. South of there, thunderstorms will be possible across south central and southeastern Mississippi late tomorrow evening into the overnight hours, but the risk of any severe weather with that activity is very low at this point. So flash flooding will be possible with storms north of Interstate 20 tomorrow. Widespread heavy rain is not expected, but some localized areas could get 1 to 4 amount of time that could lead to flash flooding in particular areas across the Arkansas Delta that are already dealing with a lot of backwater, high water flooding issues. So the rain through Saturday night is expected to, on a widespread basis, remain less than an inch. This is especially the case south of Interstate 20, but as mentioned, we could have localized higher amounts north of Interstate 20. As we go into the middle of next week, specifically we're looking at Wednesday into Thursday of next week, a big system coming in from the west could drape a front over us that kind of stalls and produce a few rounds of heavy rain. Right now, 2 to 4 inches of rain looks possible across our northern zones, maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain across our southern zones. And in northern zones where the going river flooding and high water issues are already in place, and this will not help at all. So we're really concerned about next week. Update about the Mississippi River. In our region, we're expecting the Mississippi River to be gradually cresting through next week, although water levels will not be dropping off quickly at all after the crest. And a lot of backwater flooding issues that are worse in an area bounded by Greenville to Yazoo City to Vicksburg are not expected to improve through next week, and could get worse if we get a lot of heavy rain over those areas. So thanks for viewing our briefing from the National Weather Service in Jackson. Check our webpage and Twitter for further updates.